The opinions expressed in the following program are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect those of Rogers or Rogers TV.
Welcome back to South Asian Live. I'm your host, Yudhir Jaswal. Have you ever thought how many cars can a highway accommodate? Yeah. I mean, there must be a limit. I mean, how many cars can 401 accommodate? Can there be a possibility that one day, you buy a new car and there is no place to drive, at least on the major 400 series? Will that happen? Or maybe the time will be ever increasing, that how much time do you take to commute from your work back to your home? Sharad Sahab, how long you've been here in Canada?
You can say around 40-45 years.
45
थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं पीछे से
45 years before highways 401 were they this clogged up इतना ज़्यादा?
वो टाइम जो है टोरंटो से नियाग्रा फॉल्स उसने जाना था, क्वीन एलिजाबेथ हाईवे बना दिया। वाह जी, उस ज़माने में ऐसे ही 401 बना। डॉन वैली पार्क जो है वो आजकल हाईवे नहीं है, हाँ जी, वो तो पार्क वे है। वहाँ तो मतलब एक किस्म का पार्किंग लॉट वो बन चुका हुआ है। वहाँ पर आप किसी वक्त भी चले जाइए, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ड्राइव इवन। 90 मिनट्स लगते हैं जी आजकल ड्राइविंग टाइम टू योर जॉब। 90 मिनट
एवरेज कम्यूट टाइम,
एवरेज 90 मिनट्स है। तो मुझे ये बताइए कि 90 मिनट्स में आप कितना पेट्रोल खर्च कर रहे हैं, कितना पोल्यूशन फैला रहे हैं, और कितना पेट्रोल के ऊपर पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं, और कितना कार के ऊपर आप नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं। प्लस हो क्या रहा है कि आपको काम पे पहुंचने के बाद जो थकावट आ जाती है, जो आपका माइंड की जो एक रिफ्रेशमेंट जो फ्रेशनेस होनी चाहिए, वो खत्म हो जाती है।
But you looking quite fresh today. What was your commute time today? Dr. Brar is also looking quite fresh.
10 minutes, 15 minutes.
10 minutes.
मैं तो यहाँ से आया, एयरपोर्ट डेरी रोड से।
Okay. That's
एयरपोर्ट डेरी रोड से आया।
Okay. Dr. Brar साहब, what is your take on this?
देखो जी, कि I agree with you कि more cars are getting. I travel on 410 every day, and 410 is the biggest problem for me when I go to work. Like, it's like so slow. You can actually some days you can actually push your car faster than you can drive your car. Right? It's so slow. But the reason is that the solution to the problem is either they have an HOV lane or they make a more lane, because this 410 cannot accommodate the existing cars. And population is increasing. ज़्यादा लोग आ रहे हैं दे विच अपने ब्रैम्पटन दे विच एंड ऑरेंजविल उस साइड से लोग मूव कर रहे हैं. The traffic is going to increase. There has to be a solution, either a new highway or a new lane or an HOV lane. But the issue comes is where do we raise the money from? That's the, and even ਜਦੋਂ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਸੀ, this gridlock was one of the major election issues.
युद्धवीर जी, आपको पता है कैथरीन विन ने अभी एक कमेटी बनाई थी, उसकी रिपोर्ट आ गई है। $30 बिलियन चाहिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को अगले 10 साल में ठीक करने के लिए। $30 बिलियन गवर्नमेंट के पास नहीं है। हाँ, गवर्नमेंट तो आगे ही घाटे में जा रही है। जो वो जो $30 बिलियन है, उसके लिए उन्होंने कहा जी कि 10 सेंट पर लीटर के ऊपर जी जो है वो लगा दो टैक्स, 10 सेंट पर लीटर के ऊपर। और उसके साथ ये भी कहा कि जो GTA का एरिया है, जो नियाग्रा फॉल से लेकर टोरंटो के इर्द गिर्द है, हाँ जी, और ओशवा तक, इनके ऊपर लगा दो। अब इनके ऊपर टैक्स लगा दो। बाकी क्या लंदन ओंटारियो से यहाँ नहीं आते? क्या ऑटवा के लोग यहाँ नहीं आते? सो क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या टैक्स इस वक्त लग सकते हैं या नहीं। मैं तो ये समझता हूँ कि इस वक्त हमारी जो लोग हैं, जो यहाँ के ओंटारियो के हैं, वो टैक्स में पिस रहे हैं। हाँ जी, टैक्सेस इतने हाई हैं इस वक्त। आप तो HST के हमेशा अगेंस्ट रहे हैं, मैं भी रहा हूँ। आप ये देखिए, जो 13% हम वो टैक्स देते हैं जो इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस लगे हुए हैं ऑलरेडी कम्युनिटीज के ऊपर। एक आदमी 28% टैक्स पे कर रहा है आउट ऑफ योर पे। 28% टैक्स होता है टोटल। आप देखिए, डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट।
When did you take membership with Tories, huh? Anyways,
50% हो जाता है, depending on how much salary you make, right?
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेफिसिट, क्या कोई ऐसा दिन ना आ जाए कि जी आप गाड़ी निकालें और वो सड़क पर जा ही ना पाए कहीं पर भी? आज भी जैसा आप बता ही रहे थे कि हालात तो कुछ इसी तरह से।
410 छोड़िए जी, 410 के आप जाइए, जाके देखिए डॉन वैली पार्क में 410 तो कुछ भी नहीं है उसके आगे। आई टेल यू 4 times more। more than Don Valley.
401 is always busy.
401 के ऊपर भी आप चले जाइए, किसी वक्त ईस्ट साइड पर तो चले जाइए, ऐसे लगता है
शारदा से 410 साउथ ड्राइव करना from 7 AM to 9 AM. Then come and talk to me.
नहीं मैं देखिए ना मैं 410 पर भी गया हुआ, लेकिन डॉन वैली जो है उसको तो पार्किंग लॉट ही आप कहते हैं। जो बड़े बड़े स्टेशन है, यहाँ के मेन स्टेशन है, वो भी कहते हैं कि पार्किंग लॉट में इस वक्त जो है वो 90 मिनट का रश आता है, तो 70 मिनट।
401 has become the busiest highways of North America.
It is the busiest highway.
It's the busiest highway. So how long can we afford this infrastructure deficit? We need billions of dollars. पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? Where is the money going to come from? All these billions of dollars. So proposals हमने आपको दे दिए हैं. And average, it's going to cost to begin with $60 for the first year, and then overall it will be costing around $300 an year. अगर ये जो चीजें हैं ये अगर लागू हो
एक आदमी के ऊपर, मतलब पर पर्सन, अगर आपकी फैमिली में 4 है तो $1200 जो है,
not per person.
Yeah. If you're driving a car, because this tax is going to be on the gas tax, because 14.7 तो हम पहले ही दे रहे हैं पर लीटर, 14.7 सेंट्स तो दे रहे हैं, तो ओवरऑल अगर 10 सेंट्स हो जाती हैं तो 24.7 सेंट्स जो है वो हम गैस के ऊपर देंगे। सो जिसके पास कार है टैक्स तो उसी को लगेगा, वही चलाएगा, लेकिन
सड़कें भी उसी को चाहिए, सड़कें भी उसी को चाहिए। जिसके पास कार है, जिसके पास कार नहीं है उस बेचारे को क्या सड़कें करनी है।
But the issue is that if they can put the money into public transport, I believe that if that's a bigger solution, because one bus, for example, like can take how many, 30 people, 40 people?
40 people.
And you need 40 cars for the same amount of thing, right? So if you can put in more public transport, encourage people to use more public transport, it's not easy, but that way you decrease the number of cars. But the other issue becomes is they become vested interests in it, because there are some big players who do not want that thing to happen, right? I'm not going to go into too much details about it because it will become another topic of it. But if you can encourage public transport, it's a solution to this problem.
Funding of transit system is another problem. Then we have to deal with. And then what type of transit system do we need? Do we need Scarborough subway? Do we need that or no? Do we need LRT more? Do we need buses more? What do we need more? वो भी एक शारदा साहब एक अलग डिबेट है।
ये क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम सोचते हैं यूरोप की तरह, हम कहते हैं जी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जो है यूरोप में जैसे है वैसे होनी चाहिए। सारा यूरोप मिला के कनाडा का 1/3 हिस्सा, सारा यूरोप मिला के यहाँ पर अगर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन आपने करनी है जी, तो आप ये इमेजिन करिए कि अगर आपने सबवे भी बनाना है, यहाँ पर लोग इतनी दूर दूर रहते हैं, एरिया इतना बड़ा है कि यू हैव टू स्पेंड नॉट बिलियंस परहैप्स ट्रिलियंस डॉलर्स इन फ्यूचर। सो वो पैसा जो है, पहले पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? 35 मिलियन तो लोग हैं सारे कनाडा में, हाँ जी, यहाँ पर कंज्यूमर्स ही नहीं है, यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्री कोई आके लगाता है, इसीलिए नहीं लगाते, वो घबरा जाते हैं कि 35 मिलियन में अगर बाहर नहीं गया, यहाँ के लोग क्या खरीदेंगे?
बातचीत आपके साथ जारी रहेगी। नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक हियर इज माय हेल्थ कार्ड, बट इज द डॉक्टर अवेलेबल? maybe not. क्या ऐसा टाइम आ जाएगा? What is the tipping point? I mean, the wait times are ever increasing. What is the tipping point? We have a health card but no health care. 905-595-5483 इस नंबर पे आप कॉल कर सकते हैं। छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद we'll talk about the health care. South Asian Live is your community talk show for South Asians. For topic ideas and suggestions, send us an email, southasianlive@rci.rogers.com.
Following program are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect those of Rogers or Rogers TV.
Welcome back to South Asian Live. I'm your host Yudhvir Jaswal. Meet your future. That's the topic we're discussing today. Midweek newspaper आज जब मैंने सुबह उठाया तो मैंने देखा कि वहाँ पर हेडलाइन लगी हुई है Meet योर फ्यूचर. सो मैंने देखा कि इसमें क्या क्या परेशानियों का जिक्र किया जा रहा है. आने वाले टाइम में कनाडा पेंशन प्लान जो कितना रहेगा, कितना मिल सकता है, कितना उसमें बढ़ोतरी हो सकती है. इसके अलावा हम बात कर रहे थे अभी ट्रांजिट सिस्टम की. हाउ मेनी कार्स कैन अ हाईवे अफोर्ड? देयर मस्ट बी सम लिमिट टू दैट. और अब हम बात करेंगे हेल्थ केयर की. यू हैव अ हेल्थ card. The wait times are ever increasing. Though the government claims sometimes, we've reduced wait times in this section, पर wait times बहुत ज़्यादा decrease नहीं होते. So इस बारे में बात हम जारी रखेंगे. हमारे साथ एक कॉलर हैं कश्मीर, उनके साथ हम बात करते हैं. Hello, welcome to South Asian Live.
Hello, hi, good evening to everyone.
Good evening. What do you want to add, sir?
I want to say that if they would need to get money to build new highways, definitely they should put the toll on the highways that are already here right now, on 410, 401. Although the traffic's not going to make any big difference, but they will end up making some money off that to build new bridges. They had an idea before that they wanted to build just a tunnel, so any major trucks that just want to go through the city, those trucks should just use the tunnel. That will help, but I don't think that will make a really big difference. Now, regarding the healthcare, I think if a person who is really old, they don't really take good care of them in hospital. Recently, that happened, so I saw the situation. They knew that he's not going to be paying any more tax. He's just living. He's going to be gone soon. So. They're not paying good attention. Just basically, I think they should privatize healthcare system as well.
Should privatize healthcare system as well.
I would like to reply him. Yeah. The question is about the old people. I have seen in the hospitals. First of all, the families don't care about the old people. They just go visit him once in a day, just as a formality.
Not everyone does that though.
Yeah, that's also. And on top of that, I have seen the attitude. He's right. In hospitals, the Canadians, they live from check to check. They are so much involved in work. Bibi and wife and husband both are working. They don't have a time to look after the kids. The only improvement which can be brought is if there is a proper exercise, if there is a proper diet. These are practical difficulties. You are right.
But we have to find. देखो शारदा साहब गल ही है. Right now we are in a tough situation. Situation is going to get worse. If we have to save the situation, we have to find solutions where we never thought of solution before. We have to look, like Einstein, I always remember what Einstein said, we have to look outside the box. We just don't have to think, I know it's a practical problem. I know that there's an issue. Husband and wife is working, but then you can't let their health deteriorate. And then they will go to an emergency. Now they lose income. They are a burden upon the whole system. Which could have been prevented.
It is happening. For example, I tell you, 40 years back, 70% people were smoking. Today, only 40% people are smoking. So definitely, this mass education does help.
So we've already started losing taxes on tobacco, and now you're saying less liquor, so we'll already lose taxes.
No, on liquor, I tell you,
it's not a question of losing taxes.
Yeah,
it's a question of saving money on the. I understand that. Now the other thing which comes into my mind is this role should also be played by employers. The government should be advocating that these people should also be, putting up posters even in workplace. Take care of your health, or eat balanced food, or avoiding junk food. Like in my office, I see a lot of people just going out and eating those fries and all the junk food, which is going to cause the person sick, obesity, and which is going to lead to further problems. If the same thing is advocated, eat healthy food, right? Then those things we can start with one person, but gradually it kind of adds on.
How can we put a ban on sugar?
Doctor, I tell you one thing. I tell you, I am an employer. Okay, I put a poster there. People don't even look towards that, because the question is, the moment they go there, they go 5 minutes before the work, they go do their 8-hour shift and they run back.
Yeah.
They don't care about these.
Well, we have to
education has to come from inside.
Yeah, but how do we make the education come from inside?
While we're discussing this, let me just because we are approaching almost the end of fourth segment.
There's one more important point I want to cover.
Yeah.
Is there a call coming up?
Yeah, no. I just wanted to say this while we're discussing about healthcare, while we're discussing about sports. Just a quick update, because this is South Asian Live, and many of our viewers who are in the region of the Peel, they must be enjoying the cricket matches. India is playing against South Africa, and I must update you, 255 for the loss of 5 wickets. That was the scorecard. India batting first against South Africa. This is the first test match. Virat Kohli scored an amazing century. Pakistan, they're doing very well. They squared off the series as far as T20 was concerned against Sri Lanka. Both of them won 1-20-20 each, and now the one-day international match between Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Pakistan has won the first one-day international match today. So in Ashes, Australia, they won the Ashes series 3-0. All the 3 test matches they won. So Australia is leading. Will England bounce back in this Ashes series? They'll be playing only for the pride in the next 2 test matches.
3 good players have already gone out of the Australian team for the next match.
For the next match.
Yeah, 3 good players have already gone. So England has a good chance, and I think India, if they make another 150 runs, they will be in a good position.
They'll be in a good position. So
okay, one more important thing which I think has to be looked into. Right now, the health care is in control of certain vested people who do not want to lose control over it. Alternative medicine, which includes homeopathy or Ayurvedic and stuff like that, have a very good potential, which are cost effective, and in some cases they are very effective in treating, but they are not being encouraged. The reason for this is the people who control the healthcare, or the people who are at the top of it, they do not want to lose control of it or lose their big bucks. That is something which has to be dealt with. Those people have to be brought into the system, right? That is one thing which a lot of governments are not getting onto it, and they say, oh, when somebody talks to them, they always come out with such drastically horrifying situations, and the politicians who themselves are not aware of it, they get scared of it. But that's not the fact. Those things, there has to be more work on that, and I believe alternative medicine is something which will lower the healthcare and which will be effective. I don't say it's like 100% effective, but it will be definitely be helping in the overall solution of the problem.
Dr. Saab, in the last 10 years, we fought for the regularization of homeopathy, and I am glad to inform everyone that the homeopathy has been regularized, and it will be...
Sharad Saab, we need to take a very quick break. We'll be right back after a very, very short...